Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. For your daily energies, guys, we are picking few cards for your career situation and relationship. I'll be picking cards as we proceed, guys. So these are for your daily reading, guys. It's Three of Swords, Page of Pentacles in reverse, and Justice in reverse. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So in your situation, Scorpios, you may be getting some kind of situation where you are spending on things, maybe some luxurious things today, some extravagant things you may be purchasing, maybe for your holidays, or it may be as gifts for someone, and you have that maybe for someone you may for people you like, you may buy some good things, or for people you don't have that good relationship with, you may buy something not worth it. So some kind of for these holidays, some kind of different views you have regarding the people in your life today. This may be something to do with your maybe it may be your energy or people around you, it may be their energy, but you are spending on things, maybe gifts, shopping, some kind of purchases you are doing today, guys. And in your situation today, you feel that there is no one helping you or guiding you. This person may not be with that good understanding with you, and they are just leaving you when you need them the most. So you feel that this person, maybe this may be the energy with your person. In this connection, you may feel that this person does not have that understanding or love towards you, and they are not helping you when you need them the most. And I also see that you may get some kind of bad news, something that may be worrying you. It may be something to do in your career or in this relationship. So all of a sudden something coming to your notice, and you are really worried. It may be some project delays or suspensions, or maybe this person, they are moving away from you, or they are interested in someone else. So there may be a third party involved. So that is also I see with these cards, Scorpios. So let us see what are the cards for your career situations first. So I'll be picking few cards from this deck for your career situation. Seven of Suns, Apprentice of Spheres in reverse, guys, and this is Ace of Stars in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, Scorpios, so with these cards for your career situation, guys, I see that you are too much burdened today. Some kind of responsibilities are overwhelming you, and you are expecting things to go in a particular way in your career, and that is stressing you. and you are maybe you show excessive commitment, maybe a rigorous way of doing things. So again, that is stressing you in this career situation, guys, and you have a particular way of doing your work, and if some things are done differently, you are not the person to accept it. So based on your ideals or whatever beliefs you have or ethics you have about your work, you do it in that order, and it may be quite severe, and that may again stress you again, guys. But I see that today you have that vantage position in your work, and whatever you need to succeed, you will get it. And also I see maybe for some of you, you are spending on some extravagant things, maybe something to maybe something like a renovation of your workspace, maybe spending too much on certain things. It may not be necessary, but you love that extravagance, so you are going for some very expensive things, shopping today, guys. We saw this energy with the previous cards also, Scorpios. So you may be spending something for your work. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios. Let us see what cards are there for your relationship. I'll be picking 3 cards again. It's King of Air, Magician, and High Priestess. So with these cards in your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So in this relationship with this person, you have that intuition in your situation and trust in yourself. So maybe sometimes intuition is making guiding you in some ways, pointing you towards some direction. If that is the case, you have to listen to it, listen to that intuition. And you are a very honest, truthful person. You rely on this person, you trust this person, and they also trust you, guys. So you are building this strong, meaningful connection with this person. So whatever your situation is in your career, it is not affecting you in this relationship, guys. You are working magic with this person. You have a beautiful connection and you feel good with this person. You trust the vibes you have with this person. When you are with them, you feel love and that understanding, and you have that mutual respect and caring. So that is what makes this relationship work, Scorpios, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.